This is the new update, Kling 3.0.
What the hell is this? A dinosaur?
In just 2 months after version 2.6, everything has changed. Old glitches are gone. Dialogue, emotion, and performance are now lifelike. Scenes with multiple shots, real audio, custom voices that sound like you, all possible. Right now, early access is available for the Ultra plan. Soon, everyone will be able to create without limits. From scripting to performance, from custom voices to immersive visuals, Kling 3.0 is the future of video storytelling. Now you'll see the full movie made in Kling 3.0. Like and subscribe.
Assassins!
You there! Go on now. This is the King's chambers. But what are you waiting for? What are you? I'm sorry.